Creations Farm. Plans changed a little bit today. I was going to do a dandelion jelly, and because of all the rain, instead I think we're going to just do a little kitchen tour. So I hope you enjoy. So I love it. It's changed the way we live, and I'll show you why. Notice in the design we have no refrigerator. There's actually a small one here, which is really mostly drinks. And we moved the refrigerator into here. Oh, and there's some storage actually, which has been great because I feel like my kitchen stays so much cleaner. Because I've always been obsessed with design. One of my favorite shows as a kid used to be Cribs. So you know I gotta open this. Stocked. We really don't eat out. We eat from this fridge all the time. Weird thing about this fridge, you have to shut the left door first or it doesn't shut right. And it'll tell you, it beeps.
Boop, 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 boop. You hear it from the other room and you're like, oh, somebody left the fridge open or the freezer open.
Another thing that's smart in here is this trash can. Electronics. I am gonna make something because the house is 63 degrees today, so I'm gonna get the oven going.
This is our little cart for when we need to do projects. It's really easy to just push right over to the refrigerator and load it up, especially if it's like leftovers or something and you have to take like your whole refrigerator with you. I do set it up in here because I have another whole work surface over here. So you can set it up in here or you can just put it on the cart and wheel it into here.
Because we have two work surfaces in here, which this room kind of just got painted and put back the way it was. This is like the baking work surface. This used to be in the kitchen, but we changed it around and this is kind of like our sweet spice cabinet now. Baking soda, baking powder, all that stuff is so much more convenient up here and on hand. There's some art from one of our little artist friends. I painted this to match the cabinets. I color matched that aged concrete, and then I did a glaze over the top, and then I used, this was actually called a chimney smoke, but it really came across as a blue because I put it over red. So, I don't know, I really like the way it came out because blue was my accent color and that kind of just happened by accident. We didn't have one for a really long time and my husband didn't want to. So we actually got this microwave and we put it in here. Here's the view actually. It's like of the store. And out down even to the farm. You can see the goats from here, the chickens, everything.
This is where we keep all the jarred stuff, the honey. This was actually given to me by my brother. It was my grandmother's, and I love it. And then this is all from my mom from our house in Maine after we sold it.
Kombucha. I've got my first ferment that I just started last night. And then I've got a little on a second ferment. I think I let it go over, actually.
I don't know, I'm gonna have to look it up because it seems a little bit more vinegary than I like. And then this, I can do videos, the gluten videos. I can do some videos in here. Shut the door, blocks out the noise really nicely. Just lets it light. Love it. These are actually from the first kitchen I ever had. Got them at, I don't remember where I got them. Salvation Army somewhere. And this fancy pickle is one of my favorite antiques, and it finally has a home.
Here's the stove. It's an Aga, and it's both gas and electric. Right now, this whole side is turned off. These are normally hot plates, and they'd be really hot. It'd be heating. I wouldn't be cold right now. I wouldn't have that problem. Right now, we're just using this side. So that's the part I'm gonna fire up. This will even warm the house. I mean, this whole thing is 1, 2, 3, 4 ovens, and then this middle part is actually like the workings of it. So.
It's really cool. I love it. It's all cast iron. We just love it. next winter we'll get this side going, and I'm hoping my heating bill and energy costs and all that will be way down. So we're very excited about that. And for Aga people, I mean, there's even a rack that you can get to put on top, and they use it for drying clothes and gloves and all that kind of stuff. There's actually a bar that goes across here.
The granite looks like labradorite to me. It's really got this blue-gray shine. The cabinets are, the color is Aged Concrete is the name of that. Aged Concrete. They are great cabinets. Love them. I love my corner, especially.
Just because the way it's so much easier to cook. They're all self-closing, which I love too. Glasses. And then dishes went back to where they were. They're over here in dishwasher land, which is nice. It makes unloading the dishwasher really easy and convenient. And we got this cool little addition.
Because everyone hates my electronic trash can, I now have a built-in one. That closes by itself. Utensil drawer. Organized. This is kind of where I keep everything that you need when you're cooking.
And then these are really cool. And you can't talk about our kitchen without talking about this massive island that I have. You can see here, actually the glare is not that bad. Here's one of the brands. The floorboards were actually from the attic, and then my husband branded it for us. Here's the middle, it's like a cool circle. I don't know if it's coming out good.
And my antique chandelier, which is actually from the house that I grew up in, that I absolutely love. So here's the overview again. So I hope you enjoyed the little kitchen tour. Here's the mudroom, and back to the way out. Bye.